In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case in Etsy. If you've had an issue with an order on Etsy, opening a case is the formal way to ask Etsy to step in and help resolve it. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each step so you know exactly what to click, what to write, and what to expect. First, go to the Etsy Marketplace dashboard. You can do this on a computer through your web browser or on the Etsy app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're on the official Etsy website or the official app so that your account details stay secure. Next, sign into your Etsy account. On Etsy.com, log in and then go to Your Account at the top of the page. If you're using the Etsy app, sign in and then tap You at the bottom. This is where all of your personal settings and orders are stored. Once you're in your account area, look for Purchases and Reviews. This section lists all the items you've bought in the past. Take a moment to scroll through and find the specific order you're having trouble with. It helps to double check the item name, the shop, and the date so you're sure you're choosing the right one. When you've found that order, on the website select Help with Order next to it. On the app, tap into the order first and then tap Help with Order under your order details. This is the entry point for contacting the seller and, when needed, for opening a case with Etsy. You'll now see a list of reasons you might need help. Carefully select the reason that best matches your situation, such as an item not arriving damaged, or not being as described. Choosing the most accurate option helps Etsy understand the problem and process your case more efficiently. Next, you'll be asked how you'd prefer to receive your refund if one is issued. The options you see will depend on your location, currency, and the specific order. Read these choices closely because once you select your refund method, you won't be able to change it later. You'll see a box labeled something like, "Let us know what went wrong." Use this space to clearly describe the issue. Include key details such as what you ordered, what happened, and any communication you've already had with the seller. Be factual and specific. This information is what Etsy will use to review your case. When you're happy with what you've written and your selections, look for the Submit to Etsy button and click or tap it. That officially opens your case. After submitting, keep an eye on your email and your Etsy messages for updates or any requests for more information.